Picture this. You weigh about as much as a candy bar, you have a beak the size of a toothpick, and your idea of breakfast is crawling inside the mouth of a creature with the most powerful bite ever measured on this planet. Welcome to a Tuesday. Welcome to being an Egyptian plover, the bird the whole animal kingdom should be studying for sheer, unhinged courage. The Egyptian plover, nicknamed the crocodile bird, is renowned for its symbiotic relationship with crocodiles. But here's what the textbooks don't tell you. This isn't just a fun nature fact. This is a high-stakes psychological thriller. And today, you're living it from the inside, beak first. The river is loud this morning, the kind of loud that hides things. You land on a sandbar along a broad African river, lined with acacia trees and the smell of silt and something ancient. You scan the bank, and there it is, a Nile crocodile, sprawled out like it owns the continent, which, honestly, it kind of does. Crocodiles have roamed the earth for over 235 million years. This thing was old before your entire family tree was a seedling, and you're about to walk up to it, but you don't rush. That's the first rule. You read it. You study the posture, the stillness, the angle of those jaws. That open mouth isn't aggression. It's not a trap. It's a temperature gauge, a biological radiator. Crocodiles lie with their mouths agape to increase evaporative cooling. And you know the difference. That knowledge is baked into every cell of your tiny orange-bellied body. These birds weigh between 80 and 90 grams. 80 grams, that's all you are. And you're about to go toe-to-claw with a reptile that could snap shut with a force that would make a car compactor jealous. Saltwater crocodiles slam their jaws shut with 3,700 pounds per square inch of bite force. A human tears into a steak with 150 to 200. You do that math. You land anyway. You hop closer. One step, two. The croc doesn't flinch. And this is where instinct takes over, something no algorithm could replicate. You are reading a living weapons mood. The body language, the muscle tension, the stillness that says, I'm warm, I'm full, and I'm not interested in you. There's a silence between predator and cleaner negotiated over millions of years, an unspoken contract written in evolution. You're not brave. You're just the product of a deal that's been holding since before humans invented fire. Now you're at the jawline. The smell hits first, warm, wet, ancient. Decaying meat, river mud, something primal. And you step in. You actually step inside the mouth of the most dangerous set of jaws on Earth. You peck. You pick. You work the gaps between those conical, recurved teeth like the world's most extreme dental hygienist. Every morsel is a win. Every parasite you pull is your paycheck. The crocodile gets its mouth cleaned, the bird gets a meal. Nobody loses. Everybody eats. That's the deal. But here's the part that should keep you up at night. The jaw muscles of a crocodile are among the strongest found in any vertebrate, designed to close with tremendous force, while the muscles that open the jaw are comparatively weak. A design that ensures prey is held securely once caught. You are inside a mechanism built by evolution to never let anything escape, and you are trusting it not to close. That trust is the whole game. That trust is everything. The plover is remarkably bold in the presence of crocodiles and may run across their backs. Bold is one word. Clinically unhinged is another. But boldness without awareness is just recklessness, and you are anything but reckless. Fearlessness isn't your flaw, it's your superpower. You are wired to coexist where others would flee. Then it's done. You hop back out. The croc closes its mouth, rolls one ancient eye, and goes back to being a rock. The croc is healthier. You are fed. The river keeps moving. People have been telling this story since Herodotus recorded it in 459 BC. Over 2,000 years, and it still hits different every single time. So the next time life asks you to do something terrifying, think about a bird that weighs less than a chocolate bar, reads the room better than any creature alive, and eats breakfast inside a living weapon. You don't have to be the biggest thing in the river. You just have to know the deal. If this blew your mind, smash that like button and subscribe, because we've got more stories from the animal kingdom where the rules are wilder, the stakes are higher, and the heroes are always the ones you never saw coming.